it's so nice to see you again. I'm Noreen Burke from the Crafty Organizer, where I love bringing you ideas on how to declutter, get organized, do some DIYs, upcycles, and the crafty project now and then. I am coming to the year's end, and I just wanted to take a different approach to a video today to cover some of the amazing things that I've gotten to do with you this year. This year brought so many unique and different circumstances, but one of the things it did was give me a lot more opportunities to spend time outside. So I got to do some backyard tours with you. We did a lot more painting projects, and we made our own putt-putt golf course, which was a lot of fun. I also got to do a lot more projects just on the creative side. Another thing that I got to do was bring you a lot more videos. In 2017, I only recorded 8 videos. It was my first year. In 2018, I did 25. I did 47 in 2019, and in 2020, I was able to record 95 videos, which I know doesn't sound like a lot, but I was trying to record almost every other day for you during COVID. Another thing that I got to do was paint. I really enjoy painting for the most part when it's creative, so I got to do a lot of fun projects and DIYs, and then I decided to tackle my furniture. Now, I love the after effect, but here's what happened. This is actually about the 3rd or 4th coat, so I'm going to take a break here and just play for you the actual footage of me going through an update. So here we go. From this vantage point, it looks beautiful. Now, the reason I haven't been filming it this way, I have been cussing up a storm. Now, obviously, even though I said I would never paint again, I did. I enjoyed so much more pet time, and I know this isn't something I always show in my videos, but we have a kitty named Sparta, whom I love, and of course there's Domino, and Sparta likes to make sure I don't get much work done, and Domino likes to take up my entire bed, but I do love them, and here's Sparta being playful.
This is under my couch. There's a box, and there's a kitty in the box. Oh, what are you doing, kitty in the box?
Now, 2020 made the opportunity for me to meet a lot more friends in the form of my friend mail. And I absolutely loved getting to correspond with you. All in all, I sent out almost 300 friend mail cards.
Oh my gosh, it seems to be a milk dud kind of way day. It's a milk dud kind of day.
I absolutely adored the things that were sent to me. They absolutely mean everything, and I have a notebook keeping every single thing that's been sent to me, so I genuinely do cherish them all.
I just got this adorable gift box, friend mail, and it jingles. There's jingle bells inside. I don't know if you could see. There's all this beautiful stuff on the inside with different colors. And at the bottom, there's, oh, come on, let me see. There's all these sweet little berries and bells down at the bottom. So it jingles every time the box moves. I am so excited. I'm actually not going to open these until Christmas. But I knew what one of the things were because it had an unmistakable sound. This is from Patricia. Patricia, thank you so very much. Look at this sweet little ornament. I'm going to put that on my tree right now.
Here were the top 5 videos that you watched this year. Now, I've had a rough year emotionally, but I finally have been getting into the spirit and pushing through. I actually set up my coffee bar almost a month before Christmas, but I just hadn't shown you, so here's a quick look at that. My coffee bar is one of my favorite things to design and to enjoy. Here's the little countdown calendar I made, and of course our elves. And then here was the other countdown calendar. Now, I know I had intended on doing more of these, but You guys, sadly, I just lost my holiday oomph. I have so many exciting things planned for 2021, so please make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you're notified when I post. I've got a new website being developed. I've got a new intro that I'm working on. I have a very exciting surprise that I have as a free gift for those of you who are subscribers and members, so make sure you've hit subscribe so you get all the details on that. I will not see you guys until the new year so that I'm able to work on all of those things. So I want to wish you a very happy holiday season. I hope the next new year is wonderful for all of us. I know I'm going to be making all of those positive affirmations that it's going to be a better year. And I hope you'll join me. I'll see you soon. Bye. I need a new intro. I need a new start. I need a new intro.